What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing an OG spot. I'm going to be fishing the pond with my buddy Malcolm back there. We're going to be doing a 1v1 challenge today. See who can catch the most bass.
Yeah, that's it at that.
Yeah, we're gonna see who can catch the most bass because there's not many big bass here. It's kind of rare to catch big bass, but I haven't been to this pond in months, me or Malcolm, so we don't know how it is right now. Maybe it's dried up, maybe there's no pond, who knows, but we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so I'm gonna be starting off with this bait right here. I'm not gonna say what it is because Malcolm's gonna see me, but Malcolm started before me, so he has the advantage already. I'm basically just gonna fish the edges and stuff, try and figure out where these fish are. The 1v1 challenge has started. We have about maybe an hour to fish, an hour and a half, I don't know. It's gonna get dark soon, but I'm gonna try my best to catch a fish, catch at least one fish. It's been pretty tough to catch fish here. I don't know how the bite is, and I don't know what they're eating or what they're up to, so we'll see if we can figure them out. Oh, I got one right in front of me. Oh my gosh. First fish of the day. I like ripped him out of the water. That was insane. I saw him eat it right in front of me, just swiped at it. And I instantly set the hook. That was hilarious. I hope I got that on camera. All right, Malcolm, first fish. Yeah. 1-0. I honestly did not expect that. Right in front of me. That was insane. He just swiped at it. I hope the camera picked that up of him swiping it. Probably not. This water is really murky, but 1-0. Malcolm hasn't caught one. We're in the lead, but that doesn't mean we've won yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and release this fish. Keep fishing. Little dink. There he goes. Back in the water. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh, that was insane. I literally ripped him out of the water. I kind of feel bad, but first fish of the day, I will take it. Had one. All right, everybody, well, how the turntables have turned. Malcolm with his first fish of the day. I got pliers. You got hooked him? Oh really? I got it. First fish, dude. We're tied. Dude, that is a nice one for this pond. Look at that fish.
Here, I'll give you the honors.
The honors? All right, come on, fish. All right, everybody, we got the hook out. Settle down, buddy. First fish for Malcolm. There we go. We are tied up. I didn't think we were gonna tie up. You always get skunked when you fish with me.
Oh, my bad, buddy. There it is.
There he goes. I gotta up my game. All right, so stereotypical Malcolm. He thinks that every time he catches one fish, he has them figured out, which I don't blame him. I kind of do the same, but I'm really gonna up my game now. Really gonna focus. I had to relax after that one fish because every time I catch fish, Malcolm gets skunked, which is pretty funny, but I'm really gonna try now. Try and figure them out, dial them in. What I gotta figure out is the depth. That is the key. The depth is the main key to catching these fish. I think I have the right bait. Malcolm is also using a Cinco, so I think that's what they want. So I just gotta figure out the depth. And that'll give me the dub. Hopefully. Right now we're tied. We're gonna see if we can catch one more fish. Honestly, this is gonna be pretty competitive. I like it already. I like a challenge. So I'm gonna keep fishing. I'm gonna try and focus, find out the depth that these fish are hanging out in. Keep grinding. Really? Did that just happen? Are they going back? No way. That is hilarious. I would have been freaking out. Oh my gosh, I wish I had his perspective, but two foxes were chasing each other and right behind Malcolm, they like ran right behind him and they were just chasing each other over here and turned back around and they're running straight at him again. Turned around and went up there. That was funny. He was so confused. I wish I had his perspective. That would have been hilarious because it happened right behind him. It didn't happen in front of him, so he just heard that noise of like foxes running. That was too funny. Oh my gosh. Either that or I have a fish on. You got a giant. Now you reel it in.
Yeah, I'll reel it in.
Bro, how'd you get that in my Cinco?
Whoa, what the hell?
How did you get the end of my Cinco?
Hook to hook.
Oh my gosh, I gotta get this on camera. Look at that, everybody. How did that even happen?
Magic.
I'm gonna replay that back.
Magic.
What happened over there? The foxes.
Dude, nah, dude, I heard it. I just heard rustling. I'm like, I don't have my knife on me, dude. I'm gonna have to throw hands right now.
With the fox?
And then I see two foxes.
I just look over, you're fighting a fox.
I got scared, dude. Just like, oh no.
I know, because they were behind you. Bro, and they ran all the way over there. And they started running back towards you. Bro, you're the king of getting snagged. Bro, why are you throwing a bait that has an exposed hook in all these branches? That's like throwing a crankbait.
Oh no, dude.
Let me see. Watch. Everybody watch. Watch and learn. JJ fishes how to guess. I'm always getting this guy in snag. Oh no, that's in there pretty good.
That's in there.
Just from the first pool. I bet you've never seen this technique. Alright everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day considering that we only had about an hour to fish. It's gonna get dark. We don't want to walk back to our cars in the dark because it's kind of sketchy. But I caught one fish, Malcolm caught one fish. We tied, so drop a comment down below if you want to see us do another 1v1 challenge. And this fly is bothering me. But like I said, drop a comment down below if you want to see us do another 1v1 challenge. Maybe we'll go out on the yaks. Malcolm doesn't like going out on the yaks. There he is. But we made it happen nevertheless. We both caught fish. It was pretty fun. Got a little bit competitive, but we couldn't catch more fish. We tried our best. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.